Enjoy the view of this 2021 Ram 1500. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Ram 1500 strikes the perfect balance between tough strength and passenger comfort. Its fuel efficiency, impressive towing capacity, and safety features make it your go-to vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, keyless start, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, alarm. Get the truck that's both strong and comfortable to drive. Get into the Ram 1500.